Hey guys, what's up? Back on the video, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can remove buzzing sounds in OBS. So what you want to do is you want to open OBS. Now you see here mic and aux. You want to go to settings, filters, and I already have this on, so I'm just going to show you. Okay. So this is my voice without the noise suppression. You want to go to plus. You want to go to noise suppression. Okay. I'd say keep it on this. It takes more CPU, but I mean it doesn't take a lot. I've seen like 1-2% in my computer. So if you go over here, you have to adjust it yourself. It's kind of hard, and you still get the buzzing sounds. I've tested this, so I'm gonna keep it on this. As you can see, if I go silent for a while, there's absolutely no buzzing sound. So yeah, guys, that's it.